Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today's topic is turning heads across the action camera space, and for good reason. GoPro is finally stepping out of the shadows and teasing what could be its most ambitious camera since the Hero 12, the long-awaited GoPro Max 2. Yes, it's really happening. After years of anticipation, official teasers are hitting social media, and this time, it's not rumor, it's GoPro signaling its next bold move in the 360-degree camera world. If you're passionate about immersive video, extreme sports footage, or creating cinematic content in every direction possible, this deep dive is for you. GoPro's silent signal becomes a roar. It started with a simple but powerful teaser: skydivers, free-falling with what appears to be a never-before-seen device. Just one word tagged the visuals, dropping. That's all it took. No specs, no long caption, but the message was unmistakable: something big is coming, and fast. After nearly 5 years of silence following the release of the original Max in 2019, this cryptic reveal has sent a jolt through the tech and creator communities alike. The GoPro Max 2 is real, and it's almost here. Why this moment matters so much: 360 camera market hasn't stood still since the Max launched. Competitors like Insta360 have pushed boundaries. With the X3 and X5, DJI has joined the race with whispers of its own 360-degree system. GoPro, once at the center of this category, has watched from the sidelines until now. This isn't just another launch. This is GoPro's chance to reclaim its authority and immersive storytelling. What's new? Let's talk design from the early images. One thing is obvious: the Max 2 features a more refined, centered dual-lens system. This shift from the previous offset lens layout could mean improved stitching and enhanced image balance. It also gives the camera a sleeker, more modern profile. Another standout is the redesigned cooling architecture. Larger venting systems and visible fins hint at serious internal upgrades, possibly to handle higher resolutions, longer recording times, and new processing demands. Under the hood, next-gen tech on the horizontal suggests the Max 2 may debut a powerful new GP3 processor, designed to handle intense 360-degree workloads with improved heat management and faster response times. For creators, this could mean smoother frame stitching, lower latency, and higher reliability, especially during extended shooting sessions. And the holy grail: 8K 360-degree video, potentially at 60 FPS. In today's content landscape, especially with platforms pushing for thousands streaming and VR integration, anything less would feel behind the curve. Bigger sensors equals better everything. One of the biggest critiques of the first Max was its small 1/2–3 inches sensors. In 2025, that simply doesn't cut it. If GoPro wants to win over filmmakers, pro vloggers, and tech-forward creators, the Max 2 needs larger 1-inch sensors. This single upgrade could revolutionize image quality, offering better low-light performance, richer colors, and broader dynamic range. In other words, footage that truly pops, no matter the environment. Mounted anywhere. Standard 1/4 inch thread incoming? A small but meaningful update might be on the table: universal mounting. If GoPro includes a native 1/4 inch tripod thread, it would open doors for creators to use third-party accessories without adapters. Less gear, faster setups, more freedom. The real game changer: software. Hardware alone won't win this race. The Max 2 needs a serious software overhaul, particularly with mobile editing. While GoPro's Quick App offers basic trimming and syncing, it lags behind solutions like Insta360 Studio or DJI Mimo, which offer AI-enhanced editing, easy reframing, and social-ready exports in seconds. If GoPro nails the software side, especially with features like motion tracking, auto-leveling, and scene recognition, it could finally deliver a seamless end-to-end creative experience. Battery and workflow: built for the long haul, longer shooting sessions, and higher resolutions demand better batteries. There's speculation that GoPro is developing a high-capacity smart battery, paired with features like quick charging, intelligent power management, and potentially even hot-swappable cells. Add in features like a waterproof charging door, improved UI, and faster file transfers, and the Max 2 could become the most travel and studio-friendly 360 camera to date. Durability and stability: a GoPro signature EgoPro has always been known for rugged builds, and the Max 2 will likely follow suit. Expect shockproofing, water resistance, and dust sealing. But it's not just about surviving the elements. Advanced stabilization will be key. A next-gen version of Max Hypersmooth could push stabilization to new heights, giving creators gimbal-like results without the gear. Smart features: we want to see improved voice control, auto-framing for vertical video, social media-friendly export tools, real-time 360 live streaming, Genjin low-light modus, advanced hyperlapse, and time warp support. Countdown begins. GoPro hasn't shared an exact launch date, but the timing suggests a summer reveal possibly aligning with GoPro's typical product announcement cycle. With competitors heating up the space, the Max 2's debut feels imminent. Final take: can GoPro rise again? GoPro has a golden opportunity. The Max 2 isn't just a product, it's a statement. If they deliver on the key promises: 8K video, large sensors, top-tier stabilization, smart software, and seamless usability, they can win back creators and set a new bar in immersive content. But if they fall short, especially on software and post-production tools, they risk being permanently overshadowed. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future. If you're hyped for the Max 2, drop your wishlist below. What features matter most to you? And do you believe GoPro can still set the pace in the 360 camera race? Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More future-focused tech reviews and updates are on the way. Until next time, keep creating.